Je rends hommage
I want to pay a
à
tribute
Werner Simon.
to Werner Simon.
Lui, il avait la
He had the
nationalité
German
italienne,
nationality,
mais son cœur
but
était
his
vraiment au
heart
Chili.
was really in Chile.
Je l'ai
I
connu
knew
dans le
him
bateau
in the
de
prison
prison,
ship,
El
the
Lebu,
Lebu,
à
in
Valparaiso.
Valparaiso,
Au moment du coup d'État,
at the time of military coup,
et ça,
and
dans des
this in
circonstances
very
très
special
difficiles.
circumstances.
Il était
He
de
had
retour,
just returned
il était de
from a
retour d'une
torture
session
session.
de torture, avec
His
une
collarbone
clavicule
was
cassée.
broken,
Il avait
and he had
plusieurs
several
fractures.
broken
On lui
ribs.
avait marché
They had
dessus
stepped
dans
on
ces
him
conditions.
under those conditions.
Il arrivait
He
à peine
could
à
barely walk.
Et il a
He
commencé
began
à
to descend
descendre
this
cette
ladder,
échelle,
and it
une
was
échelle
very
très
difficult for
difficile
him.
à descendre, très haute. C'était une paroi
The ladder was very
totalement
high and
verticale,
vertical. It was made of steel, with
avec
steps
seulement
down
des
like this
échelons comme ça,
in welded
qui
steel
étaient
rods.
assez soudés. Et
Started shaking. He was going to fall. He was going to drop down. He wouldn't have been the first to commit suicide in cellar ship number 2.
alors,
Then there was a fellow who went to help him. Then the sailors pulled out their machine guns. No one can help him. It's not possible. It was unthinkable not to help him. The other companion climbed up, and they both began to tremble. They couldn't get down. At the same time, I went to help them.
alors les trois
And
ont
so
descendu
the three
péniblement cette
of
petite
us could hardly go down the ladder of death. The days that followed, we spent a few days together
on s'est
telling each other
raconté beaucoup.
about our lives.
Lui, il a
He
été un
was a
martyr
martyr
du
to
fascisme.
fascism,
Et ce,
and this
depuis
from
que
the
c'était un
time he was a
fœtus
fetus
dans le ventre
in
de
his
sa mère,
mother's womb until he died.
Werner,
Werner was conceived in Chile,
dans
in the
l'île
island
de
of
Chiloé,
Chiloé,
au
in
sud de
southern Chile.
sa mère
His mother
était une
was a
étudiante en
medical
médecine.
student and had just graduated as a doctor.
Son
His
père
father
était un
was a
musicien
touring musician. He was on a Chilean island named Chiloé to visit German citizens who lived there.
Et quand
She
il
was an oldie
elle
child,
était enceinte,
and while pregnant, she was rejected by her parents.
donc qu'est-ce qu'elle fait? Elle part
She
en Allemagne.
traveled to Germany in search of her musician.
La mère de Werner,
Werner's
ayant une
mother,
origine
of
juive,
Jewish origin,
elle milite
was
en
active
Allemagne
in Germany against Hitler's National
le
Socialism.
nazisme de Hitler, le nazisme qui était en train de naître. Quelques
A
mois
few months
avant la
after
naissance
Werner's
de Werner,
birth,
on lui
friends
annonce
told
qu'il va
her
être
that
arrêté.
she was going to be arrested, and she urgently abandoned Werner in an orphanage
à
in
Kiel.
Kiel
Et elle s'est
and
chargée.
ran away.
Quand
When Werner
Werner avait
was
2
2
ans,
years
on le
old,
transfère
he was transferred to another orphanage
en Hambourg.
in Hamburg.
Quand il
When he
avait 8
was
ans,
8 years old,
on le
the fascist
déclare-
regime
le
declared
fasciste
him
le déclare
a
travailleur
low-cost worker
à Drebel.
in Treber.
Quand il a
When he was
14 ans,
14,
il a réussi à être apprenti
he became the apprentice of a powerful
qui avait beaucoup de
farmer.
pouvoir. Après de multiples
After multiple
voyages à
trips,
droite et à gauche, sa
her
mère
mother found herself in a war refugee camp under the command of the Americans in Ethiopia.
Werner
Of course, Werner didn't know this.
et attend
He hoped that his mother would show up one day,
va apparaître un jour, sa vraie mère.
his real mommy.
Werner
Werner grew up in fascist Germany. He was a member of the Hitler Youth, like all young Germans at that time. As a young peasant, he dreamed of being 16 to go to war to defend the supreme fascist homeland. One day, he saw the postman on a bicycle. He was bringing the letter that would allow him to enlist and go to the front after training. Werner was a member of a mobile group anti-aircraft battery, and he was taken prisoner in January 1945, together with thousands of Germans, in eastern Belgium, precisely in the Belgian part of the Ardennes. According to the OKW, organ of the German military staff, 120,000 soldiers were lost in these operations. 28,000 were taken prisoners, including my brother Werner, with a bullet in the bottom. The others all died. Werner told me that when they were taken prisoner by the thousands in the open field, the Americans would circle around them with the jeeps and large posters with photos of the Nazi concentration camps. The hypocrisy of fascism has been such that it was very difficult for them to believe that it was not war disinformation, that it was reality. On the other hand, he told me of the deafening silence in Germany in the post-war years. Almost all German people ashamed. After multiple back and forth and trips, the Americans staged a 2-hour confrontation between prisoner Werner and his refugee mother. They both had the impression of recognizing each other, but the Americans didn't believe them. The Americans separated them. The mother was sent to the United States, and Werner remained in occupied Germany. But he knew that his real mother was alive and that she was a Chilean national. His mother, for her part, knew that her son was alive and that he was in occupied Germany. My brother Werner left for Chile to look for his mother. She returns to American-occupied Germany in search of her son. After many trips back and forth, they met for the first time in the United States for his mother's 60th birthday, and a second time in Chile. In Chile, Werner contributed to the development of local agriculture, thanks to his experience in Germany. He worked as a farm foreman. During the Popular Unity, he participated to the agrarian reform. He worked at Enami, acting a gas company, and just before the coup, he was responsible for short circuits and alternative food commercial circuits. He had this responsibility when he was arrested and tortured at the prison ship Lebu, and also at the War Academy. And that is how I met him, on the death ladder of the Lebu's cellar number 2. Werner was tortured with particular cruelty.
Les fascistes chiliens
The Chilean fascists of the prison ship Lebu
ont malmené Werner
mistreat
comme un
Werner
traître
as a traitor to fascism.
Exemple,
For example, one day there was a visit from the Committee of the Red Cross.
ils ont installé
They installed mattresses, which they removed as soon as the committee members left. It was just for the picture.
pendant la visite,
During the visit, Werner served
servi comme
as a German-Spanish interpreter.
espagnol. Il a profité de
He
cette
took
position
advantage
pour
of this
passer des
position
informations
to pass on
vers
information
l'extérieur sur
about
notre
our dire
situation.
situation abroad.
Pendant qu'on attendait
As
la
we
visite,
waited for the
ils
visit,
ont obligé à nous
they forced us
asseoir
to sit directly
par terre,
on the ground.
ce parterre métallique
That metal floor
très chaud.
of the ship very, very hot under the sun.
On s'est tous
We
brûlés.
all get burned.
Ça a été en
The
soie
pain
et
was excruciating.
Werner, qui avait la peau,
Werner, who had a very pale skin,
pour lui,
was
ça a été
deeply
pire.
burned.
Il s'est brûlé gravement. Quelques jours après,
4 days
sa
later,
santé
his health condition
aggravé.
worsened,
Et il a fallu
and we had
l'enlever
to get
de cette
him
cave
out
numéro
of
2.
that ship's cellar number
De
2.
la cale, ils l'ont transporté vers
He was
une
transported
cabine
to a
individuelle.
single cabin
Là-bas
at
où
the
elles
same
étaient,
sector where women were incarcerated. It was worse.
pour simple cruauté,
Only
ils l'ont
for
brûlé
sheer cruelty, they burned his back
et les sphincters
and sphincter
avec de l'acide.
with acid.
Dès qu'il est sorti de
As
Chili,
soon as he left Chile, refugee in Germany, he had to get surgery.
cette grave
This serious
brûlure
burn
l'a accompagné
accompanied him until his death.
J'ai pas fait
I didn't apply to be on the first Valech list
puisque
since they didn't give this opportunity to ex-political prisoners who lived outside Chile. To opt for the Valech compensation bonus, I needed to provide evidence that I had stayed at the Lebu. I really wanted my dear friend Werner to write a document for me that he was already a former political prisoner of Lebu recognized by the first Valech list. But how could I find him again to ask him to provide me this document? And all that from here, from France. Werner wrote in a newspaper in the reader's mail section anonymously, but signing Gringo Werner. I say to myself, it's him, and he's alive. In another diary, he also wrote signing Gringo Werner from Quilpué. That's how I knew that not only was he alive, but also that he lived in Quilpué. It was a very emotional time for me to find my brother. I called all the town halls in Quilpué and its surroundings. They told me to go to hell. I called all the restaurants in Quilpué. By any chance, sir, madam, do you know a customer who calls himself Gringo Werner? One day, I will never forget it. A lady at a restaurant called El Fogón Latino said to me, maybe, call me back tonight. And that evening, I got his phone, and we were able to restart our fraternal relationship. This is a tribute to the one who became my adopted brother. This is a tribute as a lifelong victim of fascism. This is a tribute to his immense humanity and to his joy for life. May he rest in peace.